definitely chilly this evening. A lot of wind, and it's going to drop in the very low temperatures tonight here in New Mexico. So please, if you have outdoor dog or cat friends, bring them inside wherever you can. Put them in your spare bathroom or spare room wherever you can. Don't leave them outside tonight. It's going to be very, very cold. It's not a good night for any animals to be outside. Wow, this wind's crazy. Stay safe, everyone, tonight. I'm going to go hide inside and continue watching The Walking Dead, which I should have been watching a long time ago. Have a great night, everyone.